Hello and welcome to the Git Kraken series. Now, we're going to create some branches and we will see how we can work with the branches here. So we are standing at local. So this is our machine and we only have one branch, which is master branch, and we have only two commits on the master branch. So we will create a branch from here. We can right click here, or also we can right click here also. We can say create branch. So I will be creating a branch from here, and I will select this option, create a branch, and I can give a name. So I'll say feature branch 1. So this is my feature branch 1. And as you can see that, so now I have this branch has been checked out, right? I am assuming that you know what is the meaning of checked out. Checked out means that when you move your pointer to a branch. So if I want to come back to the master branch, I'll say check out master, right? And as you can see, this tick mark is on the master branch now. And now here is, as you can see, both the branches, the master branch and the feature branch, are at the same level because we have just created a branch using the master branch. So let me go back to the feature branch 1, and I am checking out the feature branch 1. And here we also have two files because we checked out, we created the branch from the master branch. So let me add something to this file. So I can say changes made at feature branch level, right? When I'm at the feature branch. So I can save this, right? Now, as I've saved this one, so I have to give the commit message, or I can view this file is now in unstaged category. So I can move it to the staged file, and now I can give message. So I can say first commit, or I can say feature implemented, and I can say the version of the feature is, let's say, version 1, and I can commit, right? So now this is feature implemented, which is on version 1. And also if I want to add something, so I can view all the files, and let me add one more file here. So I can say feature file 1, and I will say feature file 1. Okay, so now this file is in unstaged area. I can move it, I can save this and add it to the staged area. Now it's in the staged area, and I'll say feature, say feature branch or feature implemented version 1. Okay, so I haven't staged this file, sorry. So I have to stage this file first. Now it's in the stage file. Now this file is in a staged section, and now I can commit this file. File feature. So now at feature 1 level, I have so in this commit I have file 2, and at this commit I have feature 1. And here I can see I can switch from the master. So I've switched back to the master, and so I've checked out master here. Since you can see the tick mark is there, so it also giving us a tooltip with information that checked out. And if I want to check this out, I can say check out feature branch, and I am here. We can also create multiple branches. So let me create another branch at the master level. So normally in the cases, what happens is if we are working in a professional level, or if we are working with multiple developers, there will be different people checking out master branch, and they will merge their code back to the master branch. So you will check out from the master branch, and then you work on your feature, you work on your bug fix or whatever you're working on, and then you merge it back or you rebase on master before merging it. So let's try to create that scenario here, and let's create one more feature branch. So let's create branch here. Okay, and I'll say feature branch 2. So now the feature branch and the master branch both are at the same level, and feature branch also contains these two files. And let me create for example, let us create, and this is a commit hash, right? For every commit we have a commit hash. Okay, so let us create a file here. Let's say file feature 2 and file on feature branch 2. This is a file for the feature branch 2. Then we have to stage this file. We have to save and stage. And now we can commit this, and we can say feature implemented on feature branch 2. Okay, and let's say this was version 2. So as you can see, this is a branch off. So this view, as you can see, it shows us that there is a feature branch, which is this one, which has 2 commits. Feature branch 1 has 2 commits, and feature branch 2 only has 1 commit. So, or let's try to amend this file. Okay, so I will say some modifications in the feature, and then I will save this file, right? Save this file. And now since I saved this file, I have to stage this. Let's stage this, and I'm not doing any amend, right? I can also amend, but now I want to show the 2 different commits. So modifications implemented version 2 implemented on feature branch, okay, and version 2. So let's commit this file. Now as you can see, we have feature branch, we have 2 feature branches. We checked in both feature branches, we have checked out from master, right? So this is the feature branch 2 and this is the feature branch 1. And to make it more clearer, let's create another branch standing at the master branch. Oh, okay, we checked out. It's not necessary to check it out, but we can do that also. Let's create a branch here and say feature branch 3. Now we have feature branch 3, and for example, let's make change here. Feature branch 3 added this line, right? So this line has been added by a feature branch 3, or the person who is working on the feature branch 3. And with this, we can save this file and stage this file. We have saved this. As we saved it, we can go here and we can stage this file, right? We can stage this file and we can say feature added, and let's say we can say version 3. So version is right now depicting like a branch. As you can see here, we have 3 branches. So this one is the feature branch 1, then we have the feature branch 2, and then we have the feature branch 3. And all these 3, we branched it out, or we created these branches based on the master branch. Since we created based on the master branch, so they have all the code which is there on the master branch. and we picked up that code and then we started working on that code. So when we check out from any branch, we take all the changes of that branch, all the files of that branch, and then we work on that. So this is how we can create branches in Git Kraken, and we can then see different branches here. That's it for this lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture.